Greetings from Shuleni Report Card Management System. Today, I want to show you around the system. By the end, we shall have printed report cards and entered, of course, marks. Let us begin. When you open the app, it will look like that. So, let us start by choosing the assessment type. Let us choose Active Integration 1, AI1, and then we shall select the class we are going to enter marks for, Senior 1. Let us also select the report card format we want. We want one for the new lower secondary curriculum. Good. Then we click on enter marks. This is how it will open. Class will be assigned because you have already selected Senior 1. Then the serial numbers are there. Because this is a demo software, the one I'm using, it has only 5 students. But when you customize yours to have a very many unlimited number of students, there won't be any cappings. So I'll start by entering names. Let us call this one Mukasa Andrew. Okay. And then let us call this one Akelo Angel. Let us enter Sentamu Robert. Shall call this one Onen Brian. And then finally let us have Akankwata Patricia, maybe Patricia. Okay. Then as we enter marks, we can choose to enter by subject or by student. Let us enter by subject. So we shall enter marks for Andrew. Let us say 2, 3, 2.5, 2, 2.7. Then math 3, 2, 2.5, 2.3, 2.1. Let me show you something. Now, what if you were to enter 56, which is beyond 3? It will not enter it. Okay? But when you come back and you enter 2.4, it will accept 2.8, 2.1, 3, 2.6. Biology 3, 2, 2, 2, 2.3. Physics 2, 2, 2, 3, 2. Geography 2, 2.5, 3, 2.2, 2.1. History 3, 3, 2, 2, 3. Swahili 2.3, 2.3, 2.3, 2.1, 2.1. Sorry. Then you have 2.4, 2.6, 2.3, 2.7, 2.4. Then literature, target them to throughout. Okay, culture, that's 2.5, 2.3, 2.5, 2.4, 2. ICT 2.1, 2.5, 2.3, 2.5, 2.6. We are assuming that they offer all because they're in senior 1. 2.6, 2.5, 2. Okay, 2 point that. Okay, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 2.4.52. And finally PE, we give them 3 throughout. Okay. So how many subjects are they doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. They do 16. Okay. So we save this. Okay. And then we go to end of term. What's at end of term? Do the same thing. Now the names are there, you don't have to enter them again. That's 256, 56, 45. There's some random figures there. 67, 68. Okay. Wanted to make this video short, but I don't know whether it will be possible. Let us try and see. Some random marks. Okay. I've seen how it's easy to type, to enter the results, and all this is offline actually. Don't need any internet access. There's no buffering, nothing. Everything is just seamless. Okay. Let's see. Okay. And Uganda. Add PE. Good. And then save records. We are done there. Now